Hey, I'm Chanel and today I'm going to show you how to capture epic drone shots using your ONE X2 and extended selfie stick, which is so much easier than carrying around an actual drone, and you don't need to worry about no-fly zones. So let's get started. Mount the ONE X2 on the extended selfie stick, recording 5.7K 30 frames per second for the best video quality possible, and fully extend the selfie stick. To film an orbit shot, move the selfie stick from left to right and it will look like a drone is moving around you. To edit the shot, hold down your finger on the subject, draw a box around the subject, tap Start Tracking, wait for the AI to finish tracking, and now you have an orbit shot. To film a reveal shot, point the selfie stick close to the ground, run forward and slowly raise the selfie stick to reveal the scenery. To edit the shot, add a keyframe, choose a field of view, reframe the shot, tap Update Keyframe to save the changes, and you now have a reveal shot. To film a tracking shot, point the selfie stick to the side of you and it will look like the drone is auto-tracking you. To edit the shot, add a keyframe, pinch your fingers inwards to show more of the surroundings, reframe the shot, tap Update Keyframe, and you now have a tracking shot. To film a follow shot, point the selfie stick behind you and it will look like a drone is following you. To edit the shot, add a keyframe, choose a field of view, reframe the shot, tap Update Keyframe, and you now have a follow shot. Tap Export, and that's it. Now you know how to capture drone shots without the need of a drone. Share your videos using the hashtag #NoDroneNoProblem, hashtag Insta360, and that's it. Thanks for watching.